Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set up the Axanta Backoffice. To show the setup, an example of a customer having a company named ECL Electronics will be used, for which the invoicing, inventory, purchase, and retail modules will be activated and configured. First, you will receive an invitation link by email. Open the email and click the Accept button to go to the login page. Choose the Login via Axanta option to sign in. Once you are logged in, click the Debug Mode button at the top of the page to perform the next settings. Next, go to Settings. And click your username. Look for the Administrator field. If it says Access Rights, change it to Settings and click Save to get full admin privileges. Now, the installation of the required modules will be performed. As per the example, the invoicing, inventory, purchase, and retail modules are required by the customer. For these to be installed, the Apps section should be visited. Here, modules can be added or removed. Each of the 4 required modules will now be installed individually. For this scenario, our team has granted access to these specific modules in the apps, as they are the only ones requested. All modules have been installed, with some pre-configured as administrator for your user. However, those that are not pre-configured must be manually set as administrator. Go to Settings and then click User. Ensure that any modules not already set as administrator are granted administrator permissions. This configuration is specifically intended for managers and should not be applied to other users. And click the Save button. The general setup can be started. Settings should be navigated to and a scroll should be made down to the company's section. Update info should be clicked for the company's details to be entered, including its name, logo, address, phone number, email, and website name. Once all the necessary information has been entered, the Save button should be clicked. Following that, the document layout will be configured. Configure document layout should be clicked to proceed. Select boxed layout, Lato font and geometric background. The document layout is the base for all printout reports. After making selections, click Save. Next, set a default unit of measure. Navigate to Unit of Measures and set PCs as the default unit, as it aligns with industry standards for this electronics company. So it will be ensured that PCs is the default unit whenever a new product is created. Click the Save button. Each of the installed modules will now be configured, starting with the invoicing module. Navigate to Invoicing and review the fiscal localization to ensure it aligns with country's accounting standards. Below this section, configure the tax settings according to local regulations. No tax applies in this case. Once all adjustments are made, click Save to finalize the settings. Click Inventory, scroll to Products, and select Unit of Measure for accurate tracking. Then, scroll to Warehouse, enable storage locations and multi-step routes, and click Save to apply changes. For retail, cereal products should be selected because the company deals with electronic items, so it helps in inventory management. Then click Save button. For the purchase module to be configured, select the Log Confirmed Orders. It prevents any modifications to the order. Click the Save button. Thank you.